Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily restore your iPhone on iOS 14. So first thing, it's simple restore, so just keep holding power button until you will see here slide to power off. So just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So it means that you restored your phone. Also, another method it's just force restore. So just keep holding low volume and power button at the same time until you will see here slide to power off, and just wait until you will see Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons, and when you see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these buttons. It means that you successfully made forced restore. So now just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using it. So just wait. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.